Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be opening my newest Club Echo Park box. I am still working my way through the last one. I think I made the mistake of ordering too much extra, and it's taking me a really long time to get through. So with this box, when I go to do my project share, I am only going to use like the items in this box, plus maybe like, some cardstock, plain cardstock, and if I need any like other embellishments or whatever else. But I think that was the mistake I made, is that I bought like double of everything. Like I bought two kits of the plain cardstock. I got an extra kit. I got the 6x6 paper pad. I got extra cards, chipboard pieces. I got extra stickers. So I got a ton of stuff, and it's like taking me a really long time to get through it. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I posted a folio that I made with it. And then if you watch my video from last week, I showed you guys the little mini folios I made with it. So that's kind of what I've done with it so far. I'm also working on another mini album with it. So it's just taking me a little bit of time on top of all of my special orders, which I've been getting a few more of those. So let's open this up and see what's inside of here, and then hopefully soon I will have my last box done. So that's there. So these are $29.99 shipped, and it's through Echo Park. They're usually a lot of fun stuff, and when you're a part of it, you also get like a percentage off of anything you buy from the Echo Park website. So let's see what we have here. So that's the bounce back bonus, some other kits that they have. The member benefits. It says, why join our new Card Makers Club? It's a bi-monthly shipment. So this is different than this one, and I'm not a part of this one because it's another, I think it's $19.99, and you get exclusive stamps created by Echo Park designers, exclusive add-on products, free shipping, 10% off orders with Echo Park Online, and additional member-only discounts and promotions. So this one, I believe, is one that you also get that 10% off with. So this is Pool Party Inspiration. It shows some things that people have made with the kit. Really cute. Some instructions. It's just really thick. So let's see what we have inside. So this one came with a 6x6 paper pad. I'll open that up in just a second. It has some puffy stickers, sun, surf, sea, salt, sand. It says summer, sunny, ice cream, say hello to summer, staying cool by the pool, summer adventures, and I love summer. And then some really cute, like this one's like a little bikini. So that's fun. Then we have the ephemera. No, I'm sorry, it's a frames and tags die cut ephemera. So this one says pool party, say hello to summer, days of summer, hello summer, walking on sunshine. So those are really cute. And then some washi, just very floral and pretty. Some chipboard accents. There's a surfboard, some palm trees, another bikini, or a bathing suit, not a bikini, but a bathing suit, pineapple, a pool, ice cream, so that's fun. And then here's the paper, and we'll open this up. So let me just move this stuff. So let's see what we have inside of here. So that's that pretty floral again. One second, I'm gonna get the tape. Okay, so pretty floral, really fun stripes. I love the other side too. This one's plaid and stripes. This one says hello summer with some flamingos, watermelon, sunglasses, This is so cute. It's little pineapples with sunglasses on. That's really adorable. Really cute leaves up here. Some nice tags. Hello summer. Life is so sweet. Sweet summertime. You can find me under the palm trees. Summer fun. Soaking up the summer fun and sun. I was made for sunny days, and beach and sunshine in like a frame. Some bathing suits and other items. The pools, those are really cute. Leaves, and some plain over here, some different bathing suits, watermelon pieces, lemon pieces, polka dots, summer vibes, hello summer, I love you to the beach and back, pool party, summer adventures, and summer is here, florals, some really cute stripes. It looks like they're kind of like painted, and then it looks like it starts back at the floral. Yep. So that's all of the 6x6 pad, and then we'll take a look at this kit that we get. So with this kit, there's this really pretty floral one. I love that. Again, with those like mint, almost like bluey mint stripes. Some more tags. A pineapple a day keeps the worry away. Say hello to summer. Days of summer. Make a splash. Summer. Life is a beach. Butterflies and fireflies. Fun in the sun. Summer fun and sunshine. Lazy, hazy, crazy days of summer. Yeah, that's funny. Sunshine on my mind. Hello, summer. I love summer. Here comes the sun. Sea, sun, sand. And summer is a state of mind. And then that really cute frame. Just more of an oval. That's the plaid. Then we have the flamingos with the other items, summer and hello, summer. And this fun orange, like squiggly one. The pineapples with the sunglasses, and I really like this like leafed one. It's very cute. Some more tags. Everything is cool. Staying cool by the pool. Sunshine kisses and summer wishes. Dive into summer. Summer is the time for watermelon, lemonade, sunshine, popsicles, seashells, pools. So much fun. I really like that one. That one would be really cute on like the front of like, I don't know, like a stationery set or something like that. Sun, surf, sea, salt, sand. Life is so much better in a swimsuit. Endless sunshine, sunny days, summer lovin', stand tall, and best vacation ever, walking on sunshine. And then some really pretty stripes. I love these colors. They're very summery, but they're also so like muted and kind of like pastel-y and not so in your face like some summer kits can be. I really like it. Then just some like triangles. There's some more of the pools. I'm not really sure what that is. Like maybe like underwater kind of looking. I don't know. Some more tags. Hello summer. Life is so sweet. Sweet summertime. You can find me under the palm trees. Summer fun. Soaking up the summer fun and sun. I was made for sunny days and beach and sunshine. And then again that frame in just a different, now it's a bigger circle. Some really cute pink, orange, blue, and green and yellow leaves. The bathing suits. The watermelon. The lemons. Some polka dots. And some big tags. Summer vibes. Hello summer. I love you to the beach and back. Pool party. I love how they did that with the pools. That's super cute. Summer adventures. And summer is here. Another one of these really cute florals. I love this. These stripes are so cute. And then it looks like some starfish. And then, last but not least, you get your sticker sheet that goes with the kit. Lots of fun stuff on here. It says summer vibes. I was made for sunny days. There's that surfboard. summer banner. This is really cute. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's like summer spelled out, and it's like as popsicles. Really cute. Summers are made of warm days and friends. Summer fun. So that's really cute. So there's a lot of fun stuff in here. Love these kits. I love getting these. I am having a lot of fun working with the one that I had from last time. I'll link that below. I'll link the last opening that I did, as well as the project I made last week with my kit. So I'm gonna keep working through it. So I'll probably have my summer kits up by winter time. I'm trying to get through them. It's just really, sometimes it's difficult for me to get things done quickly, just because of, you know, work, life, other things. So I will get to it, but I will post it. And as soon as it's done, I'll have that up for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Let me know if you guys are getting the Echo Park Club Echo Park box. Are you getting the card maker kit? Because I'm kind of on the fence about it. It seems really fun, but I don't know if I want to do it yet. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And as always, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel here. You can hit that bell and you'll get alerts when I make new videos. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.